Yeah, total number of population affected, 5,619.
Ka Jingsyllad ke Eriong rengkat Lapbah abajur ke jala Meghalaya kalapoi hadu uput bah hadu kumbasan hajar Ngut ginong shnong kila syakta ki Jingja keleng ki benta jong Khuborjylla. Kat kum ke Jingithu do Menteri Ketenat Revenue and Disaster Management ke Khuborkhasi ba Shillong laong bah kini ke Jingwan lengshap ke Mariang nalor ki san hajar rius pa khat kendai Ngut ki breu ba syakta kumba kendai spa iwei tli ki yeng kila syak penjulor haki ar spa nyop huwei tli ki shnong. Laya thuru ba haduk menta ki ba mensau na kajing shop Mariang ki long san Ngut na lor uwei balaklat ha kajing tua ka kenro ha ka yeng hasu tengah ka bahab ha East Giant Hills.
Yes, actually, I have a report today which we received at 11 a.m. So this report shows that many households were affected and many public were affected because of this cyclone, which is really shows great. I mean, is on a great alarm when it comes to the cyclone in Meghalaya, which is even the nearby state also are affected. So when it comes to Meghalaya, as per the report which we have received from different districts and from the deputy commissioner, so as on date in eastern West Khasi Hills, which is under Mairang and Mount Harashan, Sinadi block, we have seen that 1,243 population were affected, and seven villages were affected, and 3 house. The infrastructure affected. We have 4 public roads and 11 poles, electric poles. These are the affected, which falls under the Eastern West Khasi Hills. And we have yes, and even these electric poles which are which fails, the department are trying to restore it back one by one. Is still under process, so waiting for it to recover back. So when it comes to West Giant Hills, under Juwai Urban and Thatlaskin block, we have seen that because of trees fallen and then electric poles, landslide, all these things, it affects 7 village and 1 house and 1 school and 2 electric poles. And the departments are on the job now to restore it back. And we have under Maukanreu, Soyong, and Melim block, East Khasi Hills, we have 8 population affected, 4 villages, and then 2 houses, and 1 infrastructure, that is a wall, and number one, and the second one is that a public road. These are the infrastructure affected. And we have also in West Garo Hills under Tikri Kylla, Demdema, Rongram, and Dadingre and Gambigre. These are the block affected, which we have witnessed falling of trees, electric poles, and many areas which have been affected by electricity without electricity. So we have 761 population affected, 72 villages, 173 house damage, 5 public properties, 4 schools, 1 farm, 1 MFC building, 8 polyhouse, 6 vermi compost unit. These are the 25 infrastructure affected under this different blocks of West Garo Hills. North Garo Hills, we witness 1 public road affected and then 1 electric line. These are the infrastructure affected, which shows no villages affected and then no population were affected. And we have in South Garo Hills, trees fallen of trees this morning, and then in East Giant Hills under Wapung Sinadi block, fallen of trees this morning, and which we have witnessed also under Wapung Sinadi block. As per the yesterday's report, there's one person lost his life in East Giant Hills. And we have also in Southwest Garo Hills, as per the report we have received, since 26 May 2024, there's no electricity. So the department are on the job to restore it back this power electricity. So these are the reports we are having as on date. Yeah, total number of population affected, 5,619. And then we have village affected, 271. House damage, 903. And then infrastructure affected, 95. And loss of life, 1. And injured we have 5. As per the norms, we have to be followed strictly, follow the norms, and then we, give them the exposure when it comes to loss of life. Just so loss of life, it has to be as of now I cannot tell exactly the amount, because there are times that even the chief minister, when this thing happened, he used to announce from his side also. So the overall exposure will be given exactly. I will not be able to tell it now, but the deceased person will receive the amount, and even the house affected, all this. But one more thing I would like to request, because from time to time we used to discuss about it.